Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert a Figma design into a fully functional Shopify page using GemPages AI-powered image to layout feature. No coding required at all. So first of all, open the Figma file that you want to convert into GemPages page. So let's say if we want to copy this section, so click on this section and export this section. Step 2 is open the GemPages app and click here start from scratch. Then click here start with GemPages from URL or image. So here please click on upload image and click on choose image. So here you can upload the image that you have downloaded from the Figma file and let the AI work. As you can see that GemPages have automatically analyzed the layout and have created the structure of our Figma file. So click on generate. So once it is created, you can customize images, text, heading, fonts, and everything in the GemPages drag and drop filter. Once you are happy with the customization, you can review the final page and publish it. Thank you.